Alright, so you want to nail your business English skills, huh? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of American business. English where communication is key to success. Let's start with some common phrases you'll hear in the business world. Let's touch base means to check in or have a meeting. Thinking outside the box means is being creative or innovative. And if anyone says it's a win-win situation, that they mean it's beneficial for everyone involved. Now let's talk about email etiquette. When writing a professional email, always start with a is greeting like Dear Mr. Smith or Hello team. Be clear and concise in your message, and always proofread before hitting send. Remember, professionalism is key in the business world. Next up, meetings when participating in a meeting. It's important to speak clearly and confidently. Use phrases like I'd like to add or, in my opinion, that contribute to the discussion. And don't forget to listen actively and ask questions to show your engagement. Now let's touch on presentations. When giving a presentation, make sure to structure your content logically and use visuals to enhance your points. Practice your delivery to ensure a confident and engaging presentation that captivates your audience. Lastly, networking. Building relationships is crucial in business. Attend networking events, engage in conversations, and follow up with contacts to nurture those connections. Remember, networking is about building mutually beneficial relationships. So there you have it, a crash course in American business English. Master these skills and you'll be on your way to success in the professional world. Keep practicing, stay confident, and watch your communication skills soar. Good luck out there among the professionals.